Hi everyone, welcome to MathsPar. This video is about finding the mean of grouped data by assumed mean method or shortcut method. For a given frequency distribution like this, let us find the mean by assumed mean method or shortcut method. To find the mean by assumed mean method, we need xi, that is the variable, fi, that is the frequency, and di, which is nothing but deviation. So this deviation is nothing but the difference of the mid value and assumed mean. This a stands for assumed mean, and then we will find sigma fi di, which is the sum of products of frequency and deviation. Then we find sigma fi, which is sum of all frequencies, and then mean can be found by using a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. So this is the formula to find the mean of a given distribution by assumed mean method or shortcut method. So let us go ahead for the solution. First, let us write marks, and this is xi, then number of students, that is fi, then di, which is nothing but xi minus a, then fi di. These are the important columns which we need to find mean by assumed mean method. Now let us write the data which is given in the distribution, that is xi and fi. Now di is equal to xi minus a, but what is this a? So I can take any of this variate as assumed mean, that is, say for example, I would like to take assumed mean as 7. This is just our assumption. So now xi minus a, di equal to xi minus a, that is 5 minus 7 is minus 2. Then 6 minus 7 is minus 1. In this column, xi minus a, that is 7 minus 7, 0. Then in this column, here 8 minus 7, that is 1. 9 minus 7 is 2. Then 10 minus 7 is 3. So this is how we find the deviation. Then product of fi and di, 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, 5 into 0 is 0, 5 into 1 is 5, 4 into 2 is 8, 1 into 3 is 3. So now let us write sigma fi is nothing but 20 here, then sigma fi di. Sigma fi di is sum of all these fi di products, that is these two put together it is minus 7, these three put together it is 16. So 16 minus 7 is 9. So now mean x bar by assumed mean method or shortcut method is a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi, that is nothing but a is 7, which is our assumed mean, plus 9 divided by 20. So this can be rewritten as 7 plus 9 by 20 can also be written as 0.5 7.45. So the final answer is 7.45, which is mean of the given distribution by assumed mean method or shortcut method. Now let us look for a given frequency distribution in class interval form. How do we find mean by assumed mean method or shortcut method? Let us see. Assumed mean method or shortcut method. Let us prepare the table first. After preparing the table, let us write marks which are given in the form of class interval, then number of students which we consider it as Fi, then comes mid value. Now let us enter the given details in the frequency distribution. Then after entering the details of frequency distribution, let us find the mid value. 0 plus 10 by 2, 5, 10 plus 20 by 2, 15, 20 plus 30 by 2, 25, 30 plus 40 by 2, 35, 40 plus 50 by 2, 45, 50 plus 60 by 2, 55. Then we will write di is equal to xi minus a, then fi di. Now assumed mean we have to take from mid value. So let us take 25 as assumed mean. If you would like to take 5, 15, 35, 45, 55, anything out of these you can take, you are most welcome. You can try with that. So I am trying with 25 as my assumed mean. So di is equal to xi minus a, 5 minus 25, which is minus 20, then 15 minus 25 minus 10, then 25 minus itself 0, then 35 minus 25 10, 45 minus 25 20, 55 minus 25 30. Then we have to go for the product of Fi and di. Please don't involve this in the product. So you are supposed to multiply only Fi and di. So 2 into minus 20, that is minus 40, 3 into minus 10, that is minus 30, then 5 into 0, that is 0, then 5 into 10, that is 50, then 4 into 20, that is 80, that is 1 into 30, that is 30. Now if you observe this, this is minus 70 and this is 160. So sigma Fi is 20, assumed mean is 25, then sigma Fi di is nothing but 160 minus 70, that is 90. Then mean of grouped data given in class interval form by assumed mean method or shortcut method is a plus sigma Fi di by sigma Fi, that is a 25 plus 90 by 20, that is 0 and 0 get cancelled, then 25 plus 9 divided by 2, that is 4.5. So the answer is 29.5. So 29.5 is the mean of given frequency distribution in class interval form by assumed mean method or shortcut method.